Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Yassine and welcome to the second episode of Homescreenwars. This is a series all about Android customization and Android setups because I love setting up my Android in all types of different ways and changing it up all the time. So the way it works is you guys will set up your home screens to homescreenwars@gmail.com. That'll be down below in the description, and then I'm going to feature some of my favorite setups from you guys on the next episode, and then you will vote for a winner by clicking on the card that'll appear up here when we get through the setups, and that person's going to win a Google Play gift card. And that gift card is so you can download more apps so that you can customize your home screen even furthermore, from paid icon packs to the paid versions of launchers, because this whole series about customizing your home screen. So anyway, I got 3 different setups for you guys for this week, and they actually submitted this about 5 months ago when the first episode came out, but moving forward I'll be airing out a new episode every 2 to 3 weeks. If you guys really like this type of series, then definitely let me know by smashing that like button, and I can even turn it into every other week or an every week episode. Anyway, let's check out some of these home screen setups and some of these Android setups. So the first setup is from Alejandro, and he's using the Nova launcher, and the icon pack is called Alexis. The wallpaper is actually a custom wallpaper that he made called Dark Wolf, and I'll definitely try to get my hands on it. If I do, look out for it down below in the description. And he's running a 2-page setup. On the first setup, we have another widget, which is the widget that tells you the information, and he has 5 folders from social, beats, tools, fun, and the Google Suite folder. And on his second setup, he has the month app widget and the Google News app widget. Now, don't forget to vote for your favorite setup when we get through all the setups by clicking on the card that pops up on the top left corner of the video. And the second setup is from Noku Lawrence, and he's also running Nova Launcher with the icon pack Minty Icons. And that wallpaper is from an app called Wallpaper Expert. It'll be down below in the description. And the only thing that you'll see on Noku's setup is a widget, which is from Super Widget, and it's the minimal plugin, and it's widget number 72. Noku likes to keep it very simple and very clean and only put one single widget on his home screen. And the third setup is from Kemar, and this is a very interesting setup, and it all starts with the launcher, which is Nova Launcher, and the icon packs that he's using are from Amphetamine. I'll leave both of those linked down below in the description, and there's this beautiful wallpaper to go with this, and it's from an app called Walls. Now for the widgets, they are actually 2 separate widgets, but both of them are from the same widget creator, which is the Andromeda for KWGT. And the widgets are widget number 5 and widget number 41. And that is the setup that Kemar decided to go with. So those were some pretty dope home screen setups. Let me know which one that you guys liked by clicking on the card up here. And then that way I can pick a winner and send them a gift card from the Google Play Store. I'll leave a link down below in the description of all the setups and everything they used in each individual setup. So if you guys want to duplicate them, you can check it out down there. Or if you want to use it as a baseline and then add your own stuff to it. Anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you want to be featured in the next episode, then don't forget to submit your home screen to homescreenwars@gmail.com. It'll be the first link down below in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, stay plugged.